If you are facing the no SIM or invalid SIM issue after updating to iOS 17 or 17.4, then here is how to fix it. First of all, restart your iPhone. A quick reboot can fix temporary glitches. Simply slide to power off and wait for 10 seconds and turn it back on. After that, reinsert the SIM card. Use a SIM injector or paper clip to remove the SIM tray. Gently clean the SIM and tray, reinsert properly. Once done so, all you have to do is open the Settings app from your phone's home screen. Then scroll, tap on the General option available in there. Inside General, scroll down till the bottom and tap on the Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then tap on the Reset and tap on the Reset Network Settings. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.